What do you expect to find inside when you look at this Naperville home? Further confirmation that estate sales are definitely not all vintage and grandmacore? You'd be correct. Start with the clothing: Lululemon, All Saints, Canada Goose, Farm Rio, Rag & Bone, Johnny West, Ralph Lauren. We stopped counting. Then the furniture and decor: Sherrill accent chairs, Pottery Barn ottomans, an Uttermost console table for your entryway, and a Hooker executive desk to make working from home feel a little more posh. And seat the fam around this gorgeous Hooker dining table in front of wallpaper perfect for your holiday card. Downstairs, enough throw pillows and decor to redo your entire look. And if you didn't figure it out yet, the Rottenberger sign makes it clear. Their slogan: Immer was Besonderes, always special, just like you in this estate sale. Naperville Traders, Naperville, Saturday and Sunday. And follow Picardy for the best estate sales and your spot in line.